तो ये जो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस दिया है इनमें फर्स्ट टर्म और कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालना है। इसमें आपको जो जैसे फर्स्ट टर्म, कॉमन डिफरेंस, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में। तो इसको आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यदि प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है, कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है, nth टर्म क्या है और सेकंड टर्म को कैसे लिखा जाता है, ये सब समझ में आएगा। तो अभी ये जो दिया है इसका फर्स्ट टर्म दिया है 3 दिया है और कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालना है तो आपको वही a2 माइनस a1 करना पड़ेगा। तो a1 3 है, a2 1 है, तो 1 माइनस 3 करना पड़ेगा। सो दैट इज -2, -1 और 1, -1 जो a3 है, a3 माइनस a2 तो -1 -2 है, a4 है माइनस a3 -3 -1 दैट इज -2। तो इसमें सभी जो है कॉमन डिफरेंस इन ऑल टर्म्स इज -2। सो D इज फर्स्ट टर्म जो है, फर्स्ट टर्म is written as a, that is 3, and common difference is -2. Okay. Similarly, in the second arithmetic progression, you can calculate a1 is -5, a2 is -1. So a2 minus a1 is -1 minus -5. That is common difference. So that is -1 plus 5, that is 4. A3 minus a2, a3 minus a2, that is a3 is given 3 minus a2 is given -1, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4. So common difference is 4. Here also 4, here also 4. Here 7 is a fourth term is 7, third term is 3, 7 minus 3, that is 4. So common difference is 4. So here first term is a, that is -5, and common difference D is 4. अभी जो थर्ड अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म 1/3, 5/3, सेकंड टर्म 9/3, थर्ड टर्म है। इसको भी आप इसी प्रकार से लीजिए। a1 इज 1/3, a2 इज 5/3, a3 इज 9/3, and a4 is 13/3. So you to find common difference D, you have to take a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1 is, that is 5/3 minus 1/3. So that is 3, 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 3. Difference between third term and second term, a3 minus a2. a3 is 9 by 3 minus a2 is 5 by 3. So that is 3, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 by 3. So it is common difference 4 by 3, 4 by 3. So first term is 1 by 3. You can write first term is 4 by 3 and common difference is first term is 1 by 3, first term is 1 by 3 and common difference is 4 by 3. है तो इसमें 0.6 फर्स्ट टर्म है, a1 is 0.6, a2 is 1.7, a3 is 2.8, a4 is 3.9. So common difference D, that is a2 minus a1, that is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. You can take second also. Difference between third term and second term, that is 2.8. third term is 2.8 and second term is minus 1.7. So that is also 1.1. So here common difference is 1.1 and first term is 0.6. First term is 0.6 and common difference